Hey everybody, so we are going to do a super cheap meal tonight. We're going to have thin cut pork chops that I cut off of that big pork loin that I bought a while back. And I'm just going to season them with some complete seasoning Badia. You can do salt and pepper, Lawry's, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you like. And then I have some Italian style panko crumbs. You can use any kind of breadcrumb that you want. Over here I have some carrots that I did in some water and they're done. So now what we're going to do is add some butter. I'm going to turn the heat down. These are the black pepper glazed carrots. About a tablespoon of butter, and then over here in that pan we're going to make some beef rice-a-roni. What does that call for? Like 2 tablespoons of butter? Yeah, 2 tablespoons of butter. Or oil, whatever you have on handy. You can use olive oil. Put my rice in there. And that takes 2. My husband got me a doohickey for that. I think it's 2.5 cups of water. Stir that around. We're going to brown that up. And then I am going to go get some brown sugar for my carrots. Okay, so I got my brown sugar. I'm going to add some oil to this pan. Whatever oil you have. And if you want to dip these in egg, you can. But I'm trying to save ingredients here. And that's all there is to it, easy peasy. As soon as my carrots start getting a nice color, nice brown, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of the brown sugar, salt, and lots of black pepper. The black pepper is the star with those carrots. Sorry I bumped you. And this meal probably does not even cost $5 because I got the pork loin cheap and cut my own thin chops out of it. It's probably not even $2 worth. Or only $2 worth. The rice-a-roni's $1, and then the carrots was a big bag of carrots, so I mean maybe 50 cents worth of carrots out of the bag. And this is a way to stretch your meat, seeing how things are these days. You buy your own big piece, you can cut it into your own size chops, and my husband likes the thin ones fried. I'm using the panko because it gives a nice crunch. These chops are moist, so the panko sticks pretty well. And this will be dinner as well as his lunch. I need to get my water, so that's going to make a loud sizzle sound. Two and a half cups. Put my last chop in here, or whatever we want to call these. And these will cook pretty fast. Wash my hands. Add our seasoning pack to that. You can use any flavor you want, or you could do stovetop stuffing or instant mashed potatoes. I have to cough. Excuse me. Stir that up. When it comes back to a boil, turn it down to a simmer. carrots are browning, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sugar. We don't like them too terribly sweet, but that makes the glaze nice. Wash my hands again. Add some salt to taste. I'm going to turn my chops, the ones that you see the breadcrumbs are getting wet, they're ready to turn. Same with fried chicken. Nice golden brown. Stir our carrots. And we're going to add lots of black pepper. That is an empty salt shaker. This is one of the only ways that I will eat carrots. Like and enjoy them. And that's what they look like. Lots of black pepper. And I'm going to put those on the lowest setting and just keep them hot. Gonna wait for our rice-a-roni. And as soon as the rice is done, everything will be done and ready. So I will come back and show it to you when we're plating it up. So here it is, you guys. Nice golden brown pork chops, our rice, our carrots, and then I've made his lunch. He has his plate, and there's enough for my lunch tomorrow. So that's 4 meals for about $4. You can't beat that. So let's taste this. Nice and crispy. Get a carrot. I like the carrots that way. Nice golden brown. Can you hear that crunch? Hot. So really good. Really cheap. So you could feed a family of 4 with 2 chops each, or however you want to divvy it up. Add a $1 box of Krusteaz, cupcakes or cake or some pudding or whatever. $5, you have dessert for a couple of nights. and dinner for 4. So, stretch those dollars. You can do it. Buy a large piece of meat when you can find it at an affordable price. Cut it into individual pieces for your family. Freeze it. I vacuum seal them. And yeah. So, I'm going to go have dinner. My husband's eating his dinner. If you guys have any questions or ideas on how you cook frugal meals, let me know down below. And you all stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.